Hello and welcome to JJ Automation. I am your friend Janice. In this video, we will discuss how to execute spec files in a headless mode. So let's begin. To run the spec files in a headless mode, Cypress has npm command known as npx cypress run. By default, it will run all your spec files which are under the integration folders, and it is going to execute headlessly in the Electron browser. Now, Cypress run command can be used for multi-purpose. As we just discussed, it can be used to execute all your spec files from your project, and you can use it to execute all the spec files from the specific folder, or you can execute only specific files or a group of files. Let's take an example of to execute a specific file, which is login.spec.js file in a headless mode. But before that, let's increase the font size of our terminal. Much better. Now to run in a headless mode, we have a command npx cypress run, and to execute a specific files, we need to pass an options spec. Now over here, we need to define which spec file you want to execute. In our example, we want to execute login.spec files. Let's click on enter. Let's maximize the terminal. So it's found only one spec file, login.spec.js. As I mentioned, by default it will take as an Electron browser, and it should be in a headless mode. We can see that it is executed successfully. At the same time, they will also create the video for us, so we can see the video under the Cypress folders. And if something went wrong, it will create the screenshot for us. Again, the screenshot folder is created under the Cypress folder. And at the end of the execution, you can see the nice tables where we indicate each of the spec files and the time taken to execute it and the status of that particular test cases. But you may find it easier to add the Cypress command to the script object in your package.json file. Let's open the package.json files. Inside the script object, you can specify your command. Let's remove this command. For example, to run a Cypress, we can write a command name cyrun, and the command should be cypress run. This will run the Cypress in a headless mode. To run this script, we can call the npm command like npm run and then pass the script name cy::run. Alright. Similarly, just we have executed a single file. For that, we can write cyrun login. Like this way. Let's take one more example. Now to execute the test within the folders. To understand this example, let's create the folders name as login under the integration. Let's copy the login.spec file and paste inside the login folder. Now go back to the package.json file. We can write a command cypress run spec, and over here we need to specify the folder of the login. Login and then drop matching. This indicates that it will going to execute all the spec files those are under the login folder. To call this script, we can use an npm command known as npm run cy::run login folder and click on enter. Let's maximize the terminal. Oops. Let's save the package.json files and rerun the command npm run cy::run login folder. Click on enter. Let's maximize the terminal. As we have only one file inside the folder, so Cypress found only one file, which is login.spec.js. So as we can see that it is executed successfully. Let's restore this terminal. Similarly, if you want to execute spec files in a specific browser. So for that we can pass an option as a browser and then pass the browser name. Let's take the same example of a login spec files. Over here now we want to execute these spec files in a Chrome browser. So for that we need to pass the option name as browser and pass the name as Chrome on which browser you want to execute. Over here you can pass Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Chromium, and to run headless you need to pass an option as a headless. That's it. Now to run this command we can call it npm run cy run login. But before that let's save the package.json file and over here click on enter. Let's maximize the terminal. Now where you can see that the browser is Chrome now. So now it is executed successfully. There are many more options available. Please refer to Cypress documentations. That's it for today. In the next video, we will see how to bypass login steps from the UI.